Hey everyone, and welcome back to Quiz Escape. Before we get started, why don't you like, subscribe, and slam that notification bell? Can you name all 100 animals in 10 seconds? From easy to hard, let's see how many you can get right. Let's go! Take a guess, what animal is this? Well done. The answer is dog. Here's an easy one. What's its name? You got it. It's cat. Can you name this one? Exactly, that's a cow. How about this one? Nice job, it's horse. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Correct, that's a pig. This one's a classic. What is it? Yes, the right answer is sheep. Any idea what this animal is called? That's right, it's goat. Try this one. What animal is it? Perfect, it's chicken. Any idea what this animal is called? Good work. The answer is duck. Any idea what this animal is called? That's correct. It's a goose. What do you think this is? Well done. The answer is rabbit. Here's an easy one. What's its name? You got it. It's hamster. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Exactly, that's a goldfish. Can you name this animal? Nice job, it's parrot. Take a guess, what animal is this? Correct, that's a pigeon. What do you think this is? Yes, the right answer is elephant. Here's an easy one. What's its name? You nailed it. It's lion. Any idea what this animal is called? Perfect, it's tiger. This one's a classic. What is it? Good work. The answer is bear. What animal is this? That's correct. It's a giraffe. Can you name this animal? Well done. The answer is zebra. Try this one. What animal is it? You got it. It's kangaroo. This one's a classic. What is it? Exactly. That's a koala. Here's an easy one. What's its name? Nice job. It's panda. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Correct. That's a monkey. Take a guess. What animal is this? Yes, the right answer is gorilla. Can you name this animal? You nailed it. It's dolphin. What do you think this is? Perfect, it's whale. Any idea what this animal is called? Good work. The answer is penguin. This one's a classic. What is it? That's correct. It's a polar bear. Do you recognize this creature? Well done. The answer is crocodile. What animal is this? You got it. It's snake. Take a guess. What animal is this? Exactly, that's a turtle. What animal is this? Nice job, it's frog. Do you recognize this creature? Correct, that's a butterfly. Try this one. What animal is it? Yes, the right answer is bee. Any idea what this animal is called? You nailed it. It's ant. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Perfect. It's spider. Take a guess. What animal is this? Good work. The answer is owl. Here's an easy one. What's its name? That's correct. It's an eagle. What do you think this is? Well done. The answer is flamingo. Any idea what this animal is called? You got it. It's peacock. Try this one. What animal is it? Exactly, that's an ostrich. Do you recognize this creature? Nice job, it's platypus. What animal is this? Correct, that's a sloth. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Yes, the right answer is armadillo. This one's a classic. What is it? You nailed it. It's hedgehog. Any idea what this animal is called? Perfect. It's chameleon. Try this one. What animal is it? Good work. The answer is iguana. Take a guess. What animal is this? That's correct. It's octopus. Here's an easy one. What's its name? Well done. The answer is squid. Can you name this one? You got it. It's seahorse. How about this one? Exactly. That's a walrus. What animal is this? Nice job. It's seal. This one's a classic. What is it? Correct. That's a lynx. Try this one. What animal is it? Yes, the right answer is hyena. Take a guess. What animal is this? You nailed it! It's meerkat! What do you think this is? Perfect, it's raccoon. What animal is this? Good work! The answer is skunk. Can you tell me the name of this animal? That's correct. It's a porcupine. How about this animal? Well done. The answer is bison. Can you name this animal? You got it. It's moose. What do you think this is? Exactly. That's an elk. Try this one. What animal is it? Nice job. It's reindeer. Here's an easy one. What's its name? that's a camel. Any idea what this animal is called? Yes, the right answer is donkey. This one's a classic. What is it? You nailed it. It's vulture. What animal is this? Perfect, it's pelican. Can you name this animal? Good work. The answer is toucan. Do you recognize this creature? That's correct. It's a hummingbird. Any idea what this animal is called? Well done. The answer is starfish. This one's a classic. What is it? You got it. It's crab. Take a guess. What animal is this? Exactly. That's a lobster. Here's an easy one. What's its name? Nice job. It's jellyfish. Can you name this one? Correct. That's a stingray. How about this one? Yes, the right answer is axolotl. Can you tell me the name of this animal? You nailed it. It's okapi. This one's a classic. What is it? Perfect. It's quokka. What do you think this is? Good work. The answer is pangolin. What animal is this? That's correct. It's a civet. How about this animal? Well done. The answer is fossa. Take a guess. What animal is this? You got it. It's capybara. What do you think this is? You got it. That's a tapir. Try this one. What animal is it? Nice job. It's tarsier. Any idea what this animal is called? Correct. That's a aya. This one's a classic. What is it? Yes, the right answer is narwhal. Can you tell me the name of this animal? You nailed it. It's dugong. What animal is this? Perfect. It's kakapo. Can you name this animal? Good work. The answer is shoebill. Do you recognize this creature? That's correct. It's a secretary bird. Try this one. What animal is it? Well done. The answer is cassowary. Any idea what this animal is called? You got it. It's saiga antelope. This one's a classic. What is it? Exactly. That's a markhor. What do you think this is? Nice job. It's vicuña. Do you recognize this creature? Correct. That's a dole. What animal is this? Yes, the right answer is kudu. Can you name this animal? You nailed it. It's caracal. What do you think this is? Perfect. It's serval. What do you think this is? Good work. The answer is maned wolf. Take a guess. What animal is this? That's correct. It's a leafy sea dragon. How did you go? Let us know in the comments.